Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Okay, so today's salad we have a spiralized baby marrow salad, which is the base. We've got some beetroots, some mushrooms that are both in a vinaigrette, but the beetroots are in a red wine vinaigrette, the mushrooms are in a balsamic vinaigrette. We're going to pop in some tomatoes, some pepper, two types of pepper. This one is from the garden. I'm going to chop up an onion quite finely and chop up a spring onion as well. Top of that's going to be some chia seeds and some feta cheese. So I don't know if you noticed, the intro video was the long version. So basically I shot the intro today. I walked through that park today, did the intro and just put it together. And obviously I think you guys have probably been seeing the shorter version up until now, and I just thought I'd drop in the long version. So tomorrow we'll go back to the short version, but let me know what you think of that version. Obviously I can't do that as an intro, but I thought it was quite a nice video. Okay, super. Let's get back to the salad and we'll see you tomorrow. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, keep on coming back, keep on watching him, and we'll see you soon. Cheers.